Are you on the hunt for an easy way to earn passive income online? Have you ever considered joining an affiliate program? Well, today we'll delve into the world of affiliate marketing and reveal how it can become a goldmine for passive income. Imagine waking up to an inbox filled with notifications of funds that have rolled in while you were sleeping. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the reality of successful affiliate marketers. So, what exactly is an affiliate program? Simply put, it's a partnership where an online merchant pays you a commission for traffic or sales generated from your referrals. It's essentially the digital version of a salesperson working on commission. Only here, the whole world is your market. Step 1 in becoming an affiliate marketer is selecting the right affiliate program. The trick lies in choosing a program that offers products or services that you're passionate about, or at least have some knowledge of. This makes it easier for you to convince others about the benefits of the product or service. Step 2 involves creating a platform to promote these products or services. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a simple social media page. Remember, the key is to provide valuable content that attracts and retains an audience. Your platform should not only be a billboard for product promotion, but also a space for building trust and rapport with your audience. Step 3 is all about promoting the product. This is where you earn your commission. Every time someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's important to be honest and transparent with your audience. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Step 4 is to keep your content fresh and engaging. Regularly update your platform with new and relevant content. This keeps your audience coming back and increases the chances of them making purchases through your affiliate links. Finally, step 5 is to track your success. Most affiliate programs provide tools to track your sales and commissions. This helps you understand what's working and where you need to improve. So there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to earn passive income online. And the best part, you can start right now. No need to wait for a new year or a new month. The perfect time to start is always now. Take your first step towards financial freedom. Sign up for an affiliate program today and start earning while you sleep. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.